Welcome viewers, this is Roshmi from Roshmi's Boutique of Kolkata. Hope all of you are doing well, though the situation is not so smooth, but still we have to work and the show must go on. So today's episode, it's a mixed episode. First sari number 1, it's a Pashmina. Even today I am also wearing Pashmina, but I will show my sari later on. See, this is sari number 1. Sari number 1, palla portion, very soft material. The color is maroon. See, this is the entire body. Here is the entire body, and very soft one. I will show you the quality also, so that you can understand the softness. And here is the blouse piece. But I will show you like this way. See, this is the view. The price of this sari is only 2950. This is only 2950. The color is maroon. Very soft one. I will show you the quality. See, number 2, another Pashmina. This is also, see, here is the view. Palla portion. This is blue color. Palla portion. See the entire look. Here is the view of the entire sari. Very soft material, Pashmina. Price is 2950. Pashmina, and the quality is so soft. Here is the blouse piece. I will show you the quality again. See, this is the quality of the sari. See, this is the quality. Sari number 3, which I am wearing. Let me show you my sari. This is another one on white base, on cream base rather, with multicolor. This one, in this sari, black is highlighted. See, black is highlighted here. But in this sari, blue is highlighted. See. Otherwise, the print is same. These all are Pashmina print with a very soft quality. See, sari number 3. Palla portion. Here is the body. This is the body with blue and multicolor, and this is the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. Sari number 3, price is 2950. Sari number 4, for all black lovers. This is black, pure black one. Palla portion. And here is the view of the entire sari. Price is 2950. Sari number 4. Very soft material and with a light weight. See, this is the view of the sari and the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. You can wear these saris with any sort of blouse. Sari number 5. Grey and blue combination. Here is the palla portion. I think that is the blouse piece. I will show you the palla first. Here is the palla portion. Pallu will be like this, and the entire body. Here is the view of the entire body. This is the entire body, and the blouse piece of this sari is also blue. Price 2950. This is sari number 5. Viewers, if you like the program, please share with your friends, relatives, colleagues, and definitely subscribe. Requesting you all to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of my next episode. Now I will move on to some different type of sari. This is half tasar. On half tasar, this Ari Kashmiri work has been done. The material is half tasar. See the palla portion, see the integrity of the work, how minutely this all work has been done. These all are hand Ari Kashmiri. These all are hand Ari Kashmiri. See the palla. Then here comes the body. The best material is half tasar. There is a cord piping also. See, this is half tasar. On half tasar, the entire sari with this work. Hand Ari Kashmiri. Hand Ari Kashmiri. These all saris are having a blouse piece, running blouse piece, but you can wear with any other one also. These all are hand Ari Kashmiri. I will show you the back portion also, with which, see, this is here is the back portion. Back portion of the sari, and the price of this sari is 3950. As you know, those who have taken half tasar is a blended material. It is mixed up with cotton and tasar, but it is very soft, lightweight, and definitely very reasonable. The price is also reasonable. Beige color or off-white color with Rani combination. See, palla portion. These all are half tasar. Price is 3950. This is sari number 7. Sari number 7. See the designs. Have a look. These all are half tasar. Half tasar is a blended material. It is not pure tasar. Tasar mixed up with cotton. Blended with cotton. But the material is very soft and very comfortable. No synthetic material has been used in this. This is the sari number. I told you sari number 7. Price is 3950. All the saris having blouse pieces, running blouse pieces. Another one. It is a little bit different from the first one. See, another design. There is some difference in green color, but the material is all are same, half tasar. This is mostly highlighted with red. See, here is the view. Price is 3950. Those who have taken, please give the feedback of half tasar on my YouTube channel, so that those who have not taken and they can understand the quality. See, another half tasar. Sari number 8, and the price is 3950. All the saris having a blouse piece with this work, and these all are hand Ari Kashmiri. Hand Ari Kashmiri. Next one, another piece. It is sari number 9. Sari number 9. See, here is the palla portion. This is the look. Ari Kashmiri. This is Ari Kashmiri on half tasar. Ari Kashmiri on half tasar. See, this is the look. These all are hand Ari Kashmiri. These all are hand Ari Kashmiri on half tasar. Price is 3950. 3950. This is the blouse piece. Sari number 10. This is not pink, not peach, in between pink and peach. Very soft one, soft color with blue thread work, and very nice to see this. Very nice looking sari. See, here is the view of the entire sari, and the price is 3950. The price is same, 3950. Just see the view. For booking, please call or WhatsApp 9330866384. You can mention the sari number, or you can take a screenshot and send it back to my number. You have to pay through Google Pay, internet banking, and you can pay also through debit or credit card. For payment through debit or credit card, you have to ask me, then I will send you the link. And I will send you the sari through courier through DTDC courier. COD facility is available only within Kolkata. Now, Zari Tasar. These all are Gachi by Gachi Tasar, Raghunathpur Tasar, Zari Tasar. Here is the Palla portion. This is print. This is not painting. These all are printed and with silk mark certification. And as you know, the price is 4950. See, this upper portion, upper border will be like this, and this is the lower border. The base color is the original virgin color of Tasar. Price is 4950. Price is 4950. This is sari number 11. Sari number 11. And the blouse piece is of red color. Here is the blouse piece. Zari Tasar. Next one, sari number 12 with gun spray. Palla portion, and see the entire look of the sari. See, Palla portion, there is no such work in the Palla usually. Here is the body, entire body with gun spray and small discharge print. See, just have a look. This is sari number 12 and the price is 4950. Price is 4950. Here is the blouse piece. Sari number 13, green color with a combination of green. See, Palla portion. This is also with the gun spray and both side bordered. See the entire look of the sari. Once you wear these saris now, you will feel you will get a satisfaction of wearing a Tasar sari. And the price is again 4950. This is sari number 13. Here is the Palla and the blouse piece. The color of the blouse piece is green. Sari number 14. Another soft color. Very soft English color. See. Palla portion. Here is the Palla and this is the entire body. Entire body of the sari is like this with gun spray and discharge print. See, just have a look. And the price is 4950 with silk mark. With silk mark. See, I will show you the silk mark also. This is the silk mark tag. If you scan, you will get the name of Roshmi's. Blouse piece. For booking, please take a screenshot or send it and mention the sari number and send it back to my number 9330866384. I am requesting all my viewers to subscribe my channel. Palla portion. The entire body. This one is without any black, with the virgin color of Tasar and yellow, and the borders are brown, deep brown. This is not black. The borders are deep brown. Price is 4950. Price is 4950. Palla portion. And here is the blouse piece. Sari number 16. Sari number 16. Palla portion. And here is the body is very colorful with kalamkari print. See, very bright one with red border, and the body is green, blue, yellow, red. See, here is the view. Price 4950. Price is 4950. Viewers, I am requesting you to subscribe my channel and definitely press the bell icon to get the notification of my next episode. COD facility is available only within Kolkata, and rest of India you have to pay through Google Pay or internet banking, or you can pay through debit or credit card also. Palla portion. The base color is very soothing light green with multicolored discharge. This is actually not multicolored, red, orange and maroon. 3 colors has been used here. But the look, see the look of the sari. Very pretty one. And you know the quality. Quality is the best quality of Gachi by Gachi Tasar. Price is 4950. See, here is the view. And here is the blouse piece, red color. Next one with the same block print with a different color combination. See, it was with the light green and now this one is with a bright yellow. Palla portion, and here is the view of the entire sari. See, just have a look. This is the entire look of the sari. Zari border tasar with silk mark, and the price is 4950. I think this is the last episode in which you are getting tasars on 4950. From my next episode, the price of silk and tasar all will be increased. Next one, sari number 19. See, palla portion. Palla portion, and here is the view. Very sober and elegant one with black, yellow and brown combination. See, here is the view. 4950. 4950. Shipping charges is absolutely free all over India. COD facility is available only within Kolkata. And here is the blouse piece. Moving to the last one of today's episode, it is sari number 20. Sari number 20. Here is the palla portion. See the body color, it is deep brown with both side border. See, here is the view of the entire sari. Here is the view of the entire sari. This is the palla portion, and I will show you these all are colored discharge, and I will show you the blouse piece. See, here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece, and the price is 4950. So viewers, requesting you to subscribe my channel. If you want to purchase anything, if you wish to buy, then take a screenshot and send it back to my number 9330866384. Shipping charges is absolutely free all over India. You have to pay through Google Pay or internet banking, and you can use your debit or credit card also. My contact number is 9330866384. Thank you.